Hi guys, welcome back to Budget Buying, your go-to place for smart tools that make your work easier and more efficient. Today we are taking a closer look at the best thermal imaging multimeters that combine accuracy and convenience in one device. If you want a powerful tool for diagnostics and maintenance, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Today we are exploring the Tooltop ET14S Thermal Imaging Multimeter, a smart and versatile device built for professionals who need both thermal imaging and electrical testing in one compact tool. The Tooltop ET14S Thermal Imaging Multimeter stands out because it combines two essential functions, helping you save time and effort without switching between devices. One of the key features of the Tooltop ET14S Thermal Imaging Multimeter is its 240 by 240 thermal camera. This allows you to see heat patterns clearly, making it easier to detect issues that are not visible to the eye. With a smooth 25 Hz refresh rate, the image stays clear and responsive, so you can track changes in real time without delay. Another useful feature is the optional macro lens support. This gives you the ability to focus on very small areas when needed. It is especially helpful when working with detailed components, allowing you to inspect both wide areas and close-up spots with precision. The multimeter side of the Tooltop ET14S Thermal Imaging Multimeter is equally impressive. It offers 19,999 counts true RMS measurement, which means you get accurate readings even when signals are not perfectly stable. It can measure AC and DC voltage and current, as well as resistance, capacitance, diode, buzzer, and duty cycle. This wide range of functions makes it a complete tool for electrical testing. For better analysis, the Tooltop ET14S Thermal Imaging Multimeter supports PC connectivity through USB. You can transfer both thermal images and measurement data easily. This allows you to create charts and detailed reports, which makes troubleshooting more organized and professional. Battery performance is another strong point. The Tooltop ET14S Thermal Imaging Multimeter uses a detachable lithium battery that can last up to 8 hours. Since it uses a standard 18650 battery, you can replace it quickly, which means you do not have to worry about downtime when the battery gets old. The design of the Tooltop ET14S Thermal Imaging Multimeter is compact and easy to handle. It features a large 2.8-inch screen that makes it easy to view readings and thermal images clearly. The built-in stand also adds extra convenience, allowing you to position the device comfortably during work. Overall, the Tooltop ET14S Thermal Imaging Multimeter brings together advanced thermal imaging and precise electrical measurement in one practical device. It is designed to make diagnostics faster, easier, and more reliable. Here is the exciting part. If you want a powerful all-in-one tool for testing and inspection, this is a great option to consider. Check the price link in the description, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more useful tools. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.